Testasköttiö kilon Timatti, Kutojantie 7 kilo Espoo. That's boring.
Built in 1990, modernized in 2016. 66 or H66633.
Ah, nice serial.
Yeah.
Oh, it's still open.
I haven't filmed a lot of Schindlers like this.
Yeah.
Are we going to go to the P or one?
Please. I'm so. Yeah, but the second letter is different, so we have to take separate video.
The P and then to one.
Yeah, like Finnish elevator-filmer 1993.
What?
Like Finnish elevator-filmer 1993.
It's elevators from Finland.
Yeah, but it's still old name. I always write in YouTube shares window 20 because it's shorter name.
Yeah.
Oldest name.
I'm not actually sure if I watched his videos when his channel was Window 20.
Yeah. But after that it was Valentin Linden and then back in Windows 20 for Finland. Yeah. That's it.